These 5 AI websites can replace a full-time job. Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and earning more in a few hours than most people make in an entire day at their 9-to-5 job. Sounds unbelievable, right? But thanks to artificial intelligence, it's now more realistic than ever. The digital revolution has made it possible to replace traditional jobs with smart, automated systems. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert or coder to make it happen. Whether you're tired of the daily grind, looking to make side income, or dreaming of financial independence, there are AI tools that can help you create your own income stream. These websites work 24/7, require minimal effort once set up, and can handle everything from writing and design to marketing and automation. So let's dive into the 5 most powerful AI websites that can actually replace a full-time job, and how you can start using them right now. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Number 5. ChatGPT, the ultimate freelance assistant. If you've ever wanted to write content, run a business, or offer creative services online, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. This AI tool by OpenAI can write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, add copy, video scripts, and even generate business ideas. ChatGPT can be used to start an entire freelance business from your laptop. For instance, you can use it to offer content writing services to businesses that need blog posts or social media captions. You can also use it to write product listings for e-commerce stores, scripts for YouTube creators, or even resumes for job seekers. If you're into marketing, ChatGPT can help you build email campaigns, ad strategies, and SEO-optimized website content. The key is learning how to give it the right prompts. Once you master that, you can create high-quality content in minutes that clients will happily pay for. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are already earning thousands each month using ChatGPT as their silent partner. With a single subscription and some creativity, you can run your own digital agency without ever hiring a team. It's not just about replacing a job. It's about creating a flexible lifestyle where your laptop and AI work for you. Number 4. Midjourney, the designer that never sleeps. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a graphic designer but never had the skills, Midjourney can make it happen. This AI art generator creates stunning visuals, logos, posters, and concept art from simple text prompts. You just describe what you want, and within seconds, Midjourney delivers jaw-dropping results. You can use it to start a design business without ever learning Photoshop. Many people are already selling AI-generated art, t-shirt designs, book covers, and logos on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Fiverr. With some creativity and understanding of trends, you can easily earn consistent income. For example, you could start a brand called Dream Prints, where you sell AI-generated wall art or custom illustrations. Or you could help small businesses by designing their branding materials, logos, social media templates, and packaging visuals. What makes Midjourney powerful is that it lets you scale fast. You can create dozens of design samples in minutes, test what sells best, and repeat the process. Compared to spending hours designing manually, this AI tool gives you the freedom to focus on marketing and growth. With Midjourney, your laptop becomes a full-fledged creative studio, one that never gets tired, never asks for breaks, and always delivers high-quality results. Number 3. Pictory. Turn text into video. Video is the most powerful form of online content today. Every business, influencer, and brand wants engaging videos, but not everyone has the time or skills to edit them. That's where Pictory comes in. Pictory is an AI-powered platform that turns articles, blogs, or scripts into ready-to-post videos. You simply paste your text, and the tool automatically generates a video with stock footage, background music, and subtitles. It's like having a full-time video editor on your team, but without paying hourly rates. You can use Pictory to start a video marketing agency, a faceless YouTube channel, or a content repurposing service. Many people use it to convert long podcasts or webinars into short viral clips for Instagram and TikTok. For example, you could approach coaches, brands, or YouTubers who don't have time to make short videos and offer them a package. Say 10 clips for $200. Using Pictory, you can finish all of them in one afternoon. The demand for video content is massive, and with Pictory, you can serve that market effortlessly. You don't need expensive editing software, technical knowledge, or filming equipment. The AI does everything. You just need to focus on creativity and storytelling. If you're looking for a business that scales fast and pays well, Pictory can easily replace a full-time video editor's income with much less effort. Number 2. Notion AI, the productivity powerhouse. If you're someone who loves organizing, planning, or managing tasks, Notion AI can help you turn that skill into a business. Notion has always been a favorite among productivity lovers, but with its new AI integration, it's become one of the smartest tools on the internet. Notion AI can summarize meeting notes, generate ideas, write blog posts, and even plan content calendars automatically. You can use it to build digital systems and templates that other people are willing to pay for. Here's the trick. Many entrepreneurs and small teams don't know how to set up Notion efficiently. You can help them by creating customized Notion dashboards for project management, fitness tracking, personal budgeting, or content planning. People are already making hundreds of dollars by selling Notion templates on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Notion Market. All you need is a good idea, some design creativity, and AI assistance to build your templates. The beauty of Notion AI is that it helps you stay productive while you create products that help others do the same. It's like running a digital office from your laptop, one where AI helps you manage everything effortlessly. Over time, you can expand your offerings, create multiple templates, and even turn it into a passive income business that runs on autopilot. Number 1. Synthesia, the AI video presenter. Imagine creating professional-looking videos without ever showing your face or recording your voice. Synthesia makes that possible. This AI video creation tool lets you generate realistic videos using digital avatars that speak your script in multiple languages. All you have to do is type your text, choose an avatar, and select a voice. Synthesia handles the rest. Within minutes, you'll have a professional quality video that looks like it was filmed in a studio. Businesses are now using Synthesia to create product demos, training videos, and explainer content. You can offer these services as a freelancer or start your own AI video agency. The best part is that you don't need cameras, actors, or expensive production tools. You can also use Synthesia to create educational content or courses. For instance, if you want to teach a topic like digital marketing, you can produce lessons with an AI presenter explaining the material, no recording or editing required. Some creators even use Synthesia to run entire YouTube channels. They pick a niche, write AI-generated scripts, and let Synthesia's avatars deliver them. This approach allows you to upload high-quality videos consistently while staying anonymous. If you're looking for a business that's creative, scalable, and hands-free, Synthesia can easily replace a traditional video production job. The future of work is already here. Artificial intelligence has completely changed what it means to have a job. The future of work is already here. Artificial intelligence has completely changed what it means to have a job. The traditional path of working fixed hours for someone else is being replaced by flexible, AI-powered opportunities that you control. These websites don't just help you make money, they help you buy back your time. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for financial freedom, these tools let you design a lifestyle where your work adapts to you, not the other way around. And the best part? It's still early. The people who start learning and using AI now will be the ones leading the digital economy tomorrow. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. Start small, stay consistent, and grow as you learn. So if you're ready to step into the future and create income streams powered by AI, these 5 websites are your best starting point. Each one gives you the power to work smarter, not harder, and to finally break free from the limits of a traditional job. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.